Hey, welcome back to our channel HardUseIt Pro, and today let's discuss how to transcribe meetings with Superwhisper on iPhone 17. So actually iPhone cannot record system audio, so you will not automatically capture everyone else's voices in Zoom or Teams. But here's the workaround that will actually work fine for you. So you have to open Superwhisper on your iPhone 17, and in the bottom left corner of your screen you have to go to list of modes that are available for you and select Note mode, because this mode is designed specifically to turn spoken words into organized and readable notes, and it will work out fine for your meetings. So what you can do is during your meeting you have to place your iPhone nearby and speak your own notes aloud. You can summarize as well some key points, some highlights, or anything important during your meeting, and Superwhisper will transcribe everything for you instantly, so you don't have to type anything. And after the meeting, of course, you can edit your notes, you can organize some bullet points, and you can export your note to some other application that you need. But if you're curious about full meeting transcription, then that's only available on the Mac devices, on the Mac version of this Superwhisper application, and you have to then use option that's called Record System Audio. Yes, but for iPhone 17 this method is fast, reliable, and it will keep you organized during your meetings. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.